$45 garbage cans, man. Hope they last. I gotta make this little thing that holds my can. Do a little extra to it. Yeah. I'm gonna show you what this video is about. Rolling. These are Costco bags. Once they go in nicely, they become quite expensive and they fit right over. Now, the thing that this company Otto didn't think of when they made this garbage can, 35 gallon, was to give you clips. So I made from a PVC pipe, goes over the edge, snaps on, it holds into place. Now when my garbage goes in, it won't fall in. I gotta do the same thing to the back over here. Just put a little clip so it can hold on. No, the sides don't matter, it's just two sides. And here we have in the back is the rat-proof can with the clips. But the garbage men don't love these cans. They'll take them, throw them into the truck as hard as they can, and smash it to the floor. When the Big Apple, yeah, is trying to make it right. So hand in hand don't work together. Watch this video and tell me what you think about it. You have to have that sticker on your garbage can. If it's not on it, you don't have a secured lid and protected like so. The garbage man won't take your garbage. The old cans, these are not secured lids. Do they stay on, secured? Only if they snap on and locked on. Well, we're not in the 70s anymore, we're in today's technology to going green. You want to comply to the law? Then all got to comply. This should be mandatory statewide. Don't blame me. I'm here trying to help out, do the right thing, and this is what we get. Glad Otto made a nice strong can, but I'm not happy that they didn't make us any additional attachments, because today the garbage men say, until the trucks are retrofitted, you must line your garbage before the retrofit trucks come. Once the retrofit trucks come, they'll be more than happy to take your garbage. So please, put a liner in at your expense. If it's an Amazon, Costco, or any bag, 35 gallons are not made. Gallon bags at Costco do fit. I'm happy I got a 45 gallon that fits in there, but yet, any way to clip. So shame on you, Otto, for giving us a half-assed garbage can. Ultrasac 100, 45 gallon, nice wide opening. That is the bag. The bag doesn't have a flat end. It's tied to the center. It doesn't open 100% wide. So it basically makes a rounded bottom. This is a 33 gallon trash can. It fits over just nicely inside for the can. Placing in items, it's going to slide over. So you do have to somehow clip the bags on to prevent falling. These are not flat bottoms. You simply pull a bag out. They're one after the other, as you can see. This is the top, sealed, doesn't open at all. It stays locked. On the opposite side, it opens. That's what the bag's about. Top opens, bottom stays closed, the design. These are plastic bags, square all around. They're 33 gallon, and they do not fit the can at all. You need to have a 45 gallon to fit a 33 gallon tub. This is a 32 gallon garbage can. It slides over 100% on, nice and tight. Isn't it just amazing what we go through? We try to do the best, and that's what we get. Man, these don't last long. I'm happy these are strong. And on that note, recycle garbage. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video. It is what it is and what we got to go through. Have a great day, everybody.